The meeting starts in 5 minutes. Someone says, can we show sales, margin, and region performance? And suddenly, someone is acting like the problem is Power BI. But sometimes it's not a dashboard problem, it's a thinking problem. Because if you are unclear on what leaders need to control, your dashboard would just become a prettier version of confusion. A useful dashboard should have 3 things first: give leaders confidence in the numbers, show the real constraints blocking performance, and point to the next call they need to make. That's it. Not 27 charts, not color everywhere, not look how fancy this is. So, if I had to build a Power BI dashboard teaser in 15 seconds, I would not start with design. I would start with control. Top row, 3 numbers. Leadership check first. Middle, where the variance is coming from. The bottom, what region, product, or team needs attention now. This is why so many weekly reviews in Lagos, in Nairobi, in Accra, everywhere really feels longer than they should. People are presenting updates, but the room is still asking, so what exactly should we do now? That means the dashboard is showing data, but not decision direction. The best Power BI dashboard is not impressive because they are beautiful. They are impressive because they reduce noise. They help leaders spot risk faster and ask better questions and stop wasting meetings on numbers nobody trusts. Before you build your next dashboard, ask, what decisions should this page make easier? What problem should it reveal faster? What action should it trigger immediately? Save this and send it to someone building dashboards for applause. Don't decorate data, build control. Think training? Think Jake Michaels. Think training impact? Think Jake Michaels. See you in our next episode.